Hello everyone, I'm Shmriti. Welcome to this special episode of Metro Homes and Partners. We are at Ingleburn today. Metro Homes and Partners are releasing 42 lots here at ever-growing one of the suburbs of Sydney, which is Leppington. Metro Homes and Partners are releasing land and house packages, and today is the second day of the event, and amazingly 55% of that package has already been sold out. So we have Mr. Ratu Knight with us, who is one of the business partners of Metro Homes and Partners. So I would like to ask him a few questions about the site that we are at the moment here at Ingleburn. Hello, Mr. Knight. Would you explain to us about this site and maybe even the amenities that we might have nearby here, please?
Yeah, sure. So this is our newly exchanged site. It's 143 and 149 Ingleburn Road. The land that we're sitting on right now is a stage 2. Stage 1 is actually a bit further down. So we intend on creating 42 lots in the first stage with a further 18 lots in this stage, totaling 60 lots coming off Ingleburn Road. It does also connect up into Dixon Road where there is further development. So this is our most recent one. The one that we just took before is in Austral, 285 6th Avenue Austral. That's a further 27 lots being developed. They should be ready to go to market in about 2 weeks.
अहिले हामी one of our guest सित छौं. So प्रहलाद जी, थ्यांक यू तपाईले हाम्रो शोको लागि टाइम दिनुभएकोमा. मैले चाहिँ तपाईलाई अलिकति इन्टरभ्यूको लागि लिएर आएँ किनभने तपाईले एज अ गेस्ट चाहिँ हाम्रो मेट्रो होम्स एन्ड पार्टनर्सले गरेको इभेन्टको बारे अलिकति फिडब्याक दिनु होला. अल्सो तपाई त धेरै समयदेखि अस्ट्रेलियामा बस्दै आइरहनु भएछ. तपाईको आफ्नो एक्सपिरियन्स वाइज यो लेपिङटन एरिया अथवा सिडनीको केही यहाँको हाउ इज इट to have a home here, त्यसको बारेमा अलिकति एक्सपिरियन्स बताइदिनु होला.
पहिलो त हाम्रो भाइहरुले गरे यो प्रोजेक्ट हैन, खुसी लागेछ. विश देम all the best. एरिया वाइज धेरै राम्रो छ हैन. जुन लेभलमा ग्रोथ भइरहेको छ कम्पनी वाइज र क्वालिटी पनि मेरो विचारमा राम्रै धेरै राम्रो सुनिन्छ हैन. बाहिर चाहिँ they are doing very good customer service wise हैन, production wise. So wish them all the best. अब यो कम्युनिटीमा भाइहरु जस्तै अरूहरु पनि आइरहेका छन् हैन. धेरै आउन्, प्रगति होस्. हाम्रो तर्फबाट त हैन, wish them our wishes always with them.
I'm with Mr. Sarwar Hussain, who is also the sales consultant of Metro Homes and Partners. So Mr. Hussain, please let us know, in this land and house packages, why would you recommend clients to buy from Leppington area? Any future perspective that maybe clients should know about?
Sure. Thank you very much for having me. It's good to be with you. See, when we are buying home and land package, we want to choose the right location, right site, and then we want the size. Also, it should be a good buy. And why it should be a good buy? Because we want our future prospect and it should have its value. So Leppington is in government's plan of prospective development, so it's rapidly developing. It's connecting to the major routes, and government building major routes, major amenities around this area based on the future business area development. Also the airport, which is everyone talking about the airport. And apart from that, these lands, all the lands in Leppington are selling out very fast. So this is your opportunity. If you grab it now, it's yours, and if you don't grab it now, you won't get another chance to grab one piece of this. And so also the price, people are talking about price, that if the price would ever go down, especially in Leppington area, the price for the land will never go down. Even the market fall, the price would always remain going up and up. So this is the right time to grab one of our this plot and the lot from here, because the next project coming up as well, but those will be higher prices as well. Definitely. So these are going up and up. Yeah. So this is the great buy. contact us, contact me or any of our team member to secure a spot. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Hussain. Appreciated. So the land and house packages that we have been talking about in this special show of Metro Homes and Partners, if you are sort of worried about how to manage the finance to purchase the land and house packages, and you are looking for the mortgage help or how to take the loan, please don't stress, and you don't have to look anywhere else, because Metro Homes and Partners offers all these services under one roof. And right now I have Mr. Sachin Pathak, who will guide you towards how to get about getting that mortgage or loan if required. So Mr. Pathak, would you please explain to our viewers or clients who is interested to purchase house and land packages with Metro Homes and Partners, how could they do that, and what are the requirements, if any?
Thank you so much. Basically, buying a home loan, it's a very simple process. Normally people make fuss about it, that it is a very hard process and we don't know what to do and where to start basically. So if as a mortgage broker, I can offer many other services from start to end. Like you don't need a client when he approaches me, he don't have to worry about solicitors and things like that. I can guide him through. He just need to give me the pay slips and things like that. What is his income versus liability ratios and things. Client normally need around 8 to 10% of deposit to purchase the property. Bank lends up to 95% of LVR of the purchase price basically. So if they want any sort of home loan, or they want to know if they are eligible to purchase a property, please contact Metro Homes. So Metro Homes can give them my number, and then I can meet them in Metro Homes office also. On the spot I can tell them if they have enough money to pay the deposit and how much money they can borrow to purchase home and land package through Metro Homes. So don't be scared, contact Metro Homes and we should be able to help you to buy your first owner occupied property or investment property. Thank you.
So I'm with Mr. Nitin Batra here, the director of Metro Homes and Partners. So let's hear a little bit more about the site that we are at the moment.
Thank you, Smriti ji. Welcome everyone. We're at 149 Ingleburn Road in Leppington, one of the best locations available in market. We're only 1.5 kilometers to the station, 1.2 kilometers to the public school. 400 meters, we have a new retail coming with, we have Woolworths and everything. Convenience of the people who are going to be living here. Okay, this is one of the site which is already development approved. Rarely able to find something closer to this in the market. In the first stage, we're launching 42 lots. Out of those 42 lots, we have 27 lots already being sold. So we have 143 and 149. 143 will be having another development coming up with 20 lots, so which will be open to the new market again. But right now we have around 15 lots available. So please feel free to contact us or my team for reserving your lot.
Right now I'm with the CEO of Metro Homes and Partners, Mr. Gyanendra Karki. We lovingly call him Gary as well. So Gary sir, lovely to have you with us in the show as always. हामीले यति छोटो समयमा विकेन्डमा हामीले सक्सेसफुल इभेन्ट अर्गनाइज गर्दैछौँ, एन्ड दिस इज आवर सेकेन्ड डे इभेन्ट. अनि अघि मैले तपाईँलाई अलिक ब्रिफली कुरा गर्दाखेरि वी अल्सो गट टु नो द्याट सेकेन्ड डेमै 50% अफ द लट्स हेज अलरेडी बिन सोल्ड आउट. अनि अलिकति फ्युचर प्रोजेक्टको पनि कुरा गरेको थियौँ. सो वी वुड लाइक टु नो फ्रम यु यो लटको बारेमा केही कुराहरू, अल्सो लेपिङटन एरियाको बारेमा लाइक द डाइभर्सिटी कस्ता छन् यहाँ भन्ने सम्बन्धी केही जान्न चाहन्छौँ. अल्सो फ्युचरमा चाहिँ यस्तै इभेन्टहरू आउने छन् कि अथवा एनी एडिसनल लट्सहरू ल्याउन लाग्छ कि के छ, वाट्स द प्लान, त्यसको बारे पनि केही जान्न चाहन्छौँ. सो प्लिज लेट अस नो.
सर्वप्रथम म यहाँहरूलाई सबैलाई धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु र विशेष गरी स्मृतिजी, लाउरे टिभी र कवि भाइलाई विशेष गरी धन्यवाद दिन चाहन्छु. हामीले अगाडिका प्रोग्रामहरूमा पनि भन्दै आइरहेको थियौँ कि हामी एउटा डेभलपमेन्टमा नयाँ फड्को मार्न गइरहेको छौँ र प्रपर्टी पोर्टफोलियो कार्यक्रम मार्फतबाट हामीले हाम्रो सम्पूर्ण भ्यालुड क्लाइन्टहरूलाई इन्फर्मेसन दिँदै आएको अवस्था हो. र लेपिङटन वास्तवमै एउटा साउथ वेस्टको एउटा राम्रो कोरिडोर बन्दै गइरहेको अवस्था छ र राम्रो सबब पनि हो. यहाँ विशेष गरी मिक्स्ड कम्युनिटी बडे नै राम्रो फिडब्याक आयो र उहाँहरूले नै चाहिँ लटहरू पनि अहिले बुक्ड सेक्योर गरिराख्नु भएको अवस्थामा छ र वास्तवमा हामीले अत्यन्तै हामी उत्साहित छौँ कि हामीले छोटो समय भर्खर हामीले 2 दिन पनि भएको थिएन प्रोजेक्टलाई लन्च गरेको यसबाट हामीले 50% जति सोल्ड आउटको अवस्थामा पुगेको छौँ यसबाट हामीलाई काम गर्ने अझै थप प्रेरणा मिलेको छ र अगाडिका दिनहरूमा हाम्रो उत्साहको साथमा हामीले नयाँ प्रोजेक्टहरू लिएर आउने क्रममै छौँ र प्रपर्टी पोर्टफोलियो हाम्रो कम्पनीको एउटा अभिन्न अङ्ग बनिसकेको अवस्थामा छ र यसलाई अझ हामी उत्कृष्ट केही थप जानकारीमूलक प्रपर्टी सम्बन्धित रिलेटेड प्रोग्रामको साथमा एउटा विस्तृत योजनाको साथमा फ्युचरमा लिएर आउने कार्यक्रममा पनि जुटिरहेको अवस्थामा हामी जानकारी गराउन चाहन्छौँ जसरी अहिले हामीले लेपिङटन प्रोजेक्टलाई लन्च गर्यौँ र यसमा हामीले के देख्यौँ भने मार्केटमा ल्यान्डको डिमान्ड अत्यन्तै धेरै मात्रामा रहेको रहेछ र त्यो भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि अब हाम्रो आगामी कार्यक्रमहरूमा चाहिँ हामीले तपाईहरुलाई हाम्रो नयाँ डेभलपमेन्ट साइटहरूको यसै गरी नै कार्यक्रमहरू पनि देखाउँदै जानेछौँ र अब यस पछाडि हामीले लगत्तै हाम्रो चाहिँ 6th एभिन्यूमा 27 वटा लट हामीले हाम्रो डेभलपमेन्ट साइटको लन्च गर्छौँ र त्यो 27 वटा लट चाहिँ 6th एभिन्यूको 285 6th एभिन्यूमा छ जुन चाहिँ ट्रेन स्टेसनबाट हाराहारी हाम्रो 1.3 to 1.5 किलोमिटर्समा पर्दछ र स्कुल पनि त्यसैको सराउन्डिङ 1.3 to 1.5 किलोमिटर्समा पर्दैछ।
Thank you, Gary sir, for giving us your time. Your weather, despite of the weather, yesto bhaye pani we can see hamro clients or members or they are coming and going. So I won't hold you on for too long. So appreciate your time again.
Thank you so much. सबैजना यहाँ आज आइदिनु भएकोमा जति पनि हाम्रो क्लाइन्टहरू अथवा भिजिटरहरू मेट्रो होम्स एन्ड पार्टनर भनेर यो इभेन्टमा आइदिनु भयो। यस्तो वेदर छ, वेदर फेभरेबल वेदर त छैन तर पनि जसरी आउनुभयो र एउटा सिरियस बायरहरू आइदिनु भयो र उहाँहरूले आएर साइटलाई पनि इन्स्पेक्ट गर्नुभयो, हेर्नुभयो र उहाँहरूले उपयुक्त लागेर उहाँहरूले हामीलाई चाहिँ कमिटमेन्ट गरेर डिपोजिटहरू गरेर जानुभएको अवस्थामा छ र म यहाँहरूलाई अझै पनि के भन्न चाहन्छु भने अझै हामीसँग अराउन्ड 50% लटहरू बाँकी छ। त्यो 50% लटहरू तपाईहरुलाई यदि चाहिएको छ र लेपिङटन जस्तो ठाउँ जुन ठाउँमा चाहिँ तपाईहरुले आफ्नो ड्रिम होमको कल्पना गर्नुभएको छ भने तुरुन्त सम्पर्क गर्नुहोस् हाम्रो सेल्स टिममा। हाम्रो सेल्स डाइरेक्टर्स नितिन बात्रा, श्रीति सिन्हा, अनुराग होमागाई उहाँहरूलाई तपाईले सम्पर्क गर्नुभयो भने उहाँहरूले तपाईँ उपयुक्त किसिमको बजेट अनुसारको ल्यान्ड र हाउसहरू चाहिँ उपलब्ध गराउनुहुन्छ भन्ने पनि आश्वस्त गर्न चाहन्छु।
So I'm here right now with the director of Metro Homes and Partners, Miss Shriti Sinha. So Shriti, lovely to have you again. As always, we have been mentioning our clients about the lots that Metro Homes and Partners is offering. We would like to know from you a little bit more about this lots that we have, and also maybe if you could give us a little bit of what's the diversity like in Leppington area. We would really appreciate that.
Thank you, Smriti, for having me here. So as you can see, we are very, very excited today to share this location with everyone. This is the day we all have been waiting for. So we have released 62 lots over here. This is all going to be fully customized house and land packages, so you can customize the floor plan and everything according to your needs. Now, if we talk about the location, this is one of the best locations that's available in the market. The reason is very obvious. Firstly, Leppington has been doing extremely well in terms of the suburb. So in terms of the value that the suburb has created has been great. In terms of the the demographic figure, if we talk about, it's been a mix here. So I think you will always love to live in a place where you see different people from different nationality, which is an add-on, I guess. Station is very close from this place as well, so it's just kilometers away, which I believe is walkable as well. So I would say perfect location to get your dream home. And we have got a lot of different house and land packages with different land sizes as well, so you can choose the land size depending on your budget and also your requirement in terms of the house. And as I said, like, top of the range inclusions, fully custom built house, so I think that makes it a perfect decision for anyone to invest or buy in this particular property.
So we have Mr. Chad Shea with us, who is also a relationship development manager of Metro Homes and Partners. So let's speak briefly with Mr. Shea about the amenities that we have nearby in this locations we are at. So Mr. Shea, would you explain to us, please, what are the facilities that we have here?
This location is really good. It's only 750 meters away to Leppington Public School, and it's only 1.5 kilometers away to Leppington train station. So you can walk to the station if you want. And also, you know that Edmondson Park Station, it's only 7 kilometers away. And a new shopping center in Edmondson Park. I hope you enjoy if you go to the new shopping center. And the location is really good. Don't miss it.
Thank you everyone for watching this special show today of Metro Homes and Partners. Once again, Metro Homes and Partners are releasing 42 lots, land and house packages, and 50% of it has already been sold out. So if you wish to utilize the opportunity to purchase or to know more about the land and house packages, the event is on also tomorrow from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. So please feel free to visit with your friends, with your families, and use the offers that Metro Homes and Partners are providing to you. Beside that, Metro Homes and Partners also have the diverse professionals, skills professionals who are here to help you from the start to the end of your dream home. So on behalf of my team, once again, I appreciate your support.